Hello YouTube. I got myself a 3-meter Makita track, and the first thing I want to check how straight it is indeed. So let's do it. What we have here is a full sheet of MDF split in two. We'll make one cut on both sheets together, then we'll flip it, join, and see how close do they match the cut. Let's go for it. Okay, flip time. Okay, this already looks pretty good. But to be on the safe side, and since I like to measure things, what I'm gonna do is to insert some baking paper sheets and see how firm can they hold. So just to give you an idea, these sheets are 50 microns thick, which is 5/100 of a mil. And let's see if the cut can grip those. Okay, and push. Okay, let's see what we got. Wow, that's pretty firm. That's pretty firm. Yeah, this is a bit free, but still it grips. Okay, when I pushed it on one side, it moved on the other side, so, or maybe it rocks. Okay, let's push it again. Both sides. Yeah, tiny slack here. It's a tiny. This one is firm. This one is firm. This one is firm. Firm. Okay. That's strange. It means it rocks. Okay. So the moment I push it, okay, so we may have a problem here. If I push it together on one edge, on the other edge it has a bow. It's actually pretty noticeable. Can you see the crevice? Yeah. Well, I mean, for 2.4 meters, that's not too bad. That's probably, tenths of a mil. So here it's joined. Okay, so here it's still firm, and here we're starting to get some free movements, and you can see the crevice. Okay, maybe my track was not aligned well. I'll pause the video and make another cut. Let's see. Okay, so repositions the boards, and what I think might have happened is because the thing is so long, there can still be some a bit of a wobble horizontally. So what I think I'll do is I'll position it, and then I'll give it some shake to make sure it straightens up. Yeah, so okay, let's give it another chooch. Bluetooth is great. Okay, so there is still a crevice. Still a crevice here. Out of curiosity, let's try to check it with feeler gauge. Sorry for the shakes. Okay, let's start with 0.4 mil, and it's too thick. Let's take a 2 meter mark and measure a 2 meter mark. Okay, so this is my 2 meter mark. 0.3 barely goes in. 0.25. Still a bit stiff. I'll say let's call it 0.20. Now, so yeah, here it's not. You can't fit a thing there. Okay, so on 2 meters we have 0.2 mil crevice. Now this thing, the papers as well, actually 0.05. Let's remove them actually. Yep. I remove the papers. Yeah, and calculation is correct. So it was 0.20 with papers, which has 0.05. So it should be 0.15 without papers. Let's see if that's the case. Yes, so 0.15 fits. So we got 0.15 millimeters of curvature over 2 meters, right? And that's double the error because I flipped the board. So what does this mean? So what we have here is this thing over 2 meters with the right hands, and mine are not the best hands, not the most experienced hands for sure. So this thing over 2 meters gives us 0.07 or 70 microns of error. I think for woodworking it will do. So again, 70 microns over 2 meters. Thank you, Makita. And there is another story of why I got myself a 3-meter Makita track.